Hello, I'm Melissa with Make Sense of Magic, and I am here at Walt Disney World. Today I am here at the All-Star Sports Resort to show you around. So if you've ever wondered what it's like to stay on property, or you're just looking for information about the All-Star Sports Resort, this video is for you. Let me show you around. Make sure you check out the info in the description for discounted rates on your Walt Disney World vacation. Please don't pay full price. As you might have guessed, this resort has a sports theme. Whether or not you're a sports fan, you will enjoy this property. So here's the lobby where you'll check into your room as soon as you arrive. We've got lots of seating for you if you need to hang out and wait for a few minutes, and it's got a really cute, fun, sports themed atmosphere. I love all of the little decor they have everywhere. They have thought of everything, and there's just cute sports themed touches everywhere. There's a really great gift shop if you forgot something or you need to pick up a souvenir. This is the end zone food court. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They've also got snacks and treats. Right now they're serving breakfast, so we have their breakfast menu up right here. You can mobile order from the food court, but you just come in here and you select what you want. They have desserts over here. They've got muffins and pastries, and they have different things like omelets and Mickey waffles and pancakes and breakfast sandwiches. And then of course they change to lunch and dinner options as the day goes on. They do have these refillable mugs, which are a great option if you're going to be staying around the resort frequently, because I think these are like $18 or $19, and you can refill them as much as you want during your stay, but only at resort hotels. You cannot refill them in the park. Then back here they have cereals and juices and drinks. They have sandwiches, salads, fruits. They've got kids' drinks, milk, things like that. So you just select what you want, and then you come over here and pay at the cashier's station. They have a whole beverage section. You can use your refillable mug, or you can buy a one-time cup. They have the coffee and the tea. Then all of the soda options are over here. One of the things I really like about this property is they have lots of seating. So they have a bunch of different seating options around the food court for you to sit down and eat at. There's also a bunch of outdoor seating as well if the weather is nice and you want to sit outside. When you're ready to head to the parks, you'll head right out this door to pick up transportation. Disney has made transportation around the Disney World Resort really, really simple. You can check this screen to find out what time the bus you are waiting for will be arriving. They go to Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, Blizzard Beach, Disney Springs, and Typhoon Lagoon. This is the waiting area for the bus, and the buses come really frequently, so you don't have to worry about that. There are buses often. I don't think we've ever waited more than about 10 minutes for a bus. Let's go check out one of the most important features of any resort, and that is the pool. There are 2 pools for you to choose from here at the All Sports Resort. This is the main pool right off of the food court, and it is also the largest. There's plenty of seating. They have life jackets right over here for you to use. And the pool is closed right now, but once it opens up, they will have lifeguards on duty as well, which is really nice. I love that Disney has lifeguards at their pools. By the pool, and they also have pool towels available. This is also where the guest laundry is, so if you need to do some laundry while you're on your trip, this is where you'll come. Each of the buildings has a different sports theme. So for instance, this building right here is the surf themed building. So they have giant surfboards attached to it. They've got marine sea life here on the sides, and it's pretty cute. Let me show you some of the other options. They've got some fun games out here if you wanted to play checkers. That's kind of cute. Over here is the basketball themed section. Right here is the tennis themed building. This is pretty cute. Right here is the football themed section. Right behind the football section is the baseball section where I am staying, and this is also where the second pool is. Now the second pool is a little bit smaller than the first pool, but it's still plenty big and really cute. They also have towels back here at the second pool and lifeguards and life jackets. I am staying in the baseball section, and let me take you on a little tour of my room. This is the standard 2-queen room. It sleeps 4 people. The bed is up right now, but I'll show you how that comes down in a minute. The rooms are really functional, especially when the bed is put up. There's a little table and chairs. This is one of the queen beds, and then we have the bathroom over here. There's a separate area for the shower and toilet, which is nice. And then there's some closet space and shelves for all of your stuff.
It's so creepy. Look at this. Look at Julia. This is ours? Yeah, this is yours. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching my tour of the All-Star Sports here at the Walt Disney World Resort. If you want more hotel reviews around Disneyland and Disney World, make sure you're subscribed and like this video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk soon.